If you have been thinking about how to run TikTok ads for your business, then you need to watch this video. Currently, what you're seeing right now, you can see that a lot of people are asking questions about how they can succeed with their TikTok accounts. Some of them want to run ads, some of them have issue of payment, some of them are thinking, how do they set up TikTok ads? That is why I'm creating this video for you. Now, before you create your TikTok ads, there are things that you need to understand. TikTok actually is a platform that enables and helps you to showcase your business online or grow your following or even promote yourself online. And that is why if you have a TikTok app on your phone, you should be using it to run ads. And that's why I am showing you this, because this is the very best moment for you to be running ads. So let's talk about some of the important things you need to keep in mind before you run ads on TikTok. If you want to run ads on TikTok, you come to your TikTok studio. So once you come to your TikTok studio here, you locate the promote button. So when you get to promote button, you just open it and then it will show you the options that are available. Now, for you to run that video, that ad successfully, you must have a video that is very engaging. Your video must be very engaging, and this is what you see when you want to run your ads on TikTok. Now, I'll tell you that this is still very new, so I guess there could be some features that are being tested as we speak. So in some cases, you might find some buttons and somebody else may not see that button on their own TikTok account. So just accept the fact that some features may be available, some features may not be available, but I can tell you that this is the best time for you to jump on TikTok ads if you have the budget. And the sweet thing about this is that you don't have to spend much to run advert. With as little as 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira, you can run ads and get the best results. Sometimes you may not get result as expected because, like I said, it's still in the test stage. It's still in the beginning stage. All right, maybe sometime later on we might have better results. Okay, but just be aware that sometimes you might run ads, you may not get results, your ads might be declined or something, but if you follow the due process, you should get some results. All right, so having said that, this is what your dashboard for your ads will look like. On your dashboard, you can see the boost account, you can see get sales, you can see get leads. That means you can boost your account, you can grow your following, you can get more sales, which is this place, and then you can get leads. Okay, so for now, let's say you're selling, you are an entertainer, you are into something that you want to grow your following, you can use the boost account option. Now, if you want to sell something directly, you can use the get sales option, or you can use the get leads option if you want to get leads and send leads to a website or maybe to a landing page to collect details of people's contacts. All right, so this is some of the things you need to take note of. All right, you can see that here, you can see that the pack, the promotion pack gives you the option of what you are going to be getting when you spend money on ads. Now, a lot of people are having issues with setting up of ad, with making payments, with running the ads. All right, if you are a beginner, I will not advise you to come and try by yourself. I will just say the best thing to do is to get someone who can help you run ads, or get a course that will teach you and take you step by step on how you can set up and run your ads for yourself. That's why I'm giving you an opportunity. All right, there is a program that explains, that teaches you how to run ads step by step as a beginner. So if you're very much interested in that, it is not free. Just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. If you're interested in learning how to run ads step by step on TikTok, then go to the comment section. If you know how to run ads, you can make a lot of money from a lot of business owners that are looking to promote their business online. So do fast, quickly go to the comment section, drop a comment for me, and I'm going to respond to you as regards the ads. I'll see you in my next video.